Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into something that connects all of us, food. We're going to learn all the essential Mandarin words you need to talk about your favorite meals.
你好. So let's get into one of the best parts of exploring any culture, the food. In this lesson, we're going to cover 60 keywords that will help you order at a restaurant, chat about your favorite dishes, or even find your way around a market. Ready? Let's jump right in.
All right, first up, let's start with the basics, the kind of things you'd find at any fresh market, vegetables and fruits.
Okay, so the general word for vegetables is 蔬菜. Let's say it slowly. 蔬菜. Now, at natural speed, 蔬菜. Try it. A great sentence is 我喜欢吃蔬菜, which means I like to eat vegetables. Now for some specific kinds. Lettuce is 生菜. Slowly. 生菜. Natural speed, 生菜. Your turn. Cucumber is 黄瓜. Slowly. 黄瓜. Faster, 黄瓜. Cauliflower is 菜花. Slowly. 菜花. Faster, 菜花. A potato is a 土豆. Slowly. 土豆. Faster, 土豆. And a tomato is a 西红柿. Slowly. 西红柿. Faster, 西红柿. Great job. Now, let's move on to fruits. The general word is 水果. Let's break it down. 水果. Now a little faster. 水果. You can say 这里有很多水果, which means there are many fruits here. Let's look at some common ones. An apple is 苹果. Repeat after me. 苹果. A banana is 香蕉. Your turn. 香蕉. A tangerine is 橘子. Let's hear it. 橘子. A pear is just 梨. Go ahead, 梨. An orange is 橙子. Try it. 橙子. And everyone's favorite summer fruit, watermelon, is 西瓜. Your turn. 西瓜. Fantastic. Okay, here's a super useful word for you. 种, which means type or kind. You can pop it right into that sentence we just learned to say 这里有很多种水果. See what that does? It changes the meaning to there are many kinds of fruit here. It's a really great way to talk about variety.
All right, your turn. I'm going to ask you, 你喜欢什么水果? That means, what fruit do you like? Go ahead and try to answer using the words we just learned. You could say something like, 我喜欢苹果. I like apples.
Awesome job. Now that we've got our fresh ingredients, let's talk about the main event, the actual dishes and meals.
Let's start with different types of cuisine. Chinese food is 中餐. Repeat after me. 中餐. You could say, 我们吃中餐. We are eating Chinese food. Western food is 西餐. Try it. 西餐. And fast food is 快餐. Your turn. 快餐. Now for some familiar fast food items. A hot dog is 热狗. Let's hear it. 热狗. A hamburger is 汉堡. Say it. 汉堡. And pizza is 比萨. Your turn. 比萨. And now for some classic Chinese dishes you'll definitely want to know. Fried noodles are 炒面. Say it with me. 炒面. Fried rice is 炒饭. Your turn. 炒饭. A stir-fried dish in general is 炒菜. Let's hear it. 炒菜. A steamed stuffed bun is a 包子. Try it. 包子. Dumplings are 饺子. These are a personal favorite of mine. Your turn. 饺子. Congee, which is a type of porridge, is 粥. Say it. 粥. And noodles are 面条. Go for it. 面条. So many delicious choices.
Okay, let's pause for a quick but really important grammar point. You've got two words that both mean or, 还是 and 或者. So what's the difference? Well, it's pretty simple. You use 还是 when you're asking a question. For example, 你想吃中餐还是西餐? Do you want to eat Chinese food or Western food? But you use 或者 for statements. For instance, 热狗或者 pizza 我都不喜欢. Hot dogs or pizza? I don't like either of them. So just remember, 还是 for questions, 或者 for statements. Easy, right?
Now, let's talk about how to describe your food preferences. This is super important. If you're a vegetarian, the word you need is 素.
You can say 我吃素, I am a vegetarian. The general word for meat is 肉. A really famous and tasty dish is braised beef, which is 红烧牛肉. Tofu is 豆腐. And if you like your food with a kick, the word you need to know is 辣, which means spicy. You could say 这个菜很辣. This dish is very spicy.
Feeling a little thirsty after all that talk about spicy food? Me too. Let's learn how to order some drinks. First off, the verb to drink is 喝. So someone might ask you, 你想喝什么? What do you want to drink? The general word for a beverage or drink is 饮料. Water is just 水. Soda is 汽水. And more specifically, a cola is 可乐. And of course, you can't forget the classic, tea, which is 茶. Go ahead and try repeating those after me. Now here's the fun part. Let's see how we can customize those drinks. The word 冰 means ice or iced. You can just put it in front of a drink like 冰可乐 for an iced cola. See how that works? Similarly, 茉莉花 means jasmine flower. So if you add that to cha, you get 茉莉花茶 or jasmine tea. It's really like building with blocks. Okay, you're doing great. We've covered food and drinks. Now for the grand finale. Let's put it all together and learn all the language you'll need when you're actually at a restaurant. Here are 3 words you absolutely need to know. A restaurant is a 饭店. To get the attention of a server, whether it's a waiter or waitress, you can call out 服务员. And maybe most importantly, the restroom is the 卫生间. Let's try saying those 3 one more time. Let's look at a few more helpful words for when you're at the table. If you want to be generous and treat someone to a meal, you can say 我请客. It's my treat. The verb to give is 给. You'll use this a lot, especially when asking for the menu, which is 菜单. You'd say 请给我菜单. Please give me the menu. And a plate is a 판. So, how do you find things? It's easy. To ask where is, you just add 在哪里 to the end of a word. For example, 卫生间在哪里? Where is the restroom? In response, you might hear directions like 往前走, which means go straight. Or they might tell you it's on the left side, 左边, or the right side, 右边. All right, here are a few more awesome words that will make your sentences sound way more natural. To say you're hungry, use 饿, like in 我很饿. I'm very hungry. The word for will or can is 会. For should, you can use 应该. The word but is 可是. And to talk about all or both, you use the word though. These are really useful connectors. We're at the final step of the meal, paying the bill. To ask for the check, you can simply say 买单 or 结账. They both work. To ask how much is it in total, you'd say 一共多少钱? And the word for the currency, kind of like saying bucks in English, is 块. So putting that all together, the server might come over and tell you the total is 一共180块. That means 180 yuan in total. Let's practice saying that number together. 180块. And just like that, you've got 60 new words for talking all about food and dining in Mandarin. You did a great job. So the only question left is, with all this new vocabulary under your belt, what are you going to order next time? Thanks so much for joining me, and happy eating.